Hey all, it's Jolene here with Home Stitchery Decor. Welcome back to the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jolene. I am from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. And in today's video, I wanted to talk to you about my handmade products and just showcase a few of them for you because I have not done that in forever. I'm constantly teaching other people how to start their own businesses on this channel, and I just wanted to kind of get back to some of my own products and just show them off a little bit here for you guys. And part of the reason that I'm doing that today is because I've reached a milestone with YouTube where I can actually tag products in my videos. So I can tag my own products in my videos, and then you guys can just click on those tags if you choose to and shop away. So I kind of wanted to put a little bit of like, money where my mouth is, situation where I'm constantly on here, talking about how great, Shopify is if you want to start your own business and how to market your things with Tailwind. And, just a couple of people reached out to me and said, oh, that's great, but can we see what's behind the scenes? Because I'm always talking from my computer and people can see all this in the background, and I haven't showcased it in a while. So I thought, well, why not do that today? So gonna stick to all the positive things today, and just tell you guys a bunch of things about my products. So first of all, I started with jelly roll rugs. I don't know if I can grab one here. I'm gonna kind of scooch in and out of the camera here so I don't mess things up too much. Goodness, it's tight in here today because I have a lot of stock. I'm starting to build stock for Christmas markets. So this is one of the jelly roll rugs that I have in stock right now. This is called Parlor Room. It was from Connecting Threads. I will put a link in the video description for some of the products as well, if you guys want to make your own. So that's how this actually started. This whole business started. I had made 3 actually jelly roll rugs. And then we hosted a football party in our house, and we have 3 bathrooms, and our guests were coming out of the bathrooms with them like rolled up like this under their arms, gonna steal my rugs. So I thought, oh my goodness, I could be onto something. And so I started from there, and then the following year I got really quite ill, and I had just like a massive tumor in my abdomen, one of those, fibroid tumors. It's not cancer, but they're gross. And I was quite sick. So I thought, okay, well, what can I do if I couldn't get back to work? And I thought, well, I had that jelly roll rug idea last year, and then this happened. So kind of insane, but that is what happened. Okay, so I started with the jelly roll rugs, and then I started making mix and match products to go with every single thing that I do. So that's a nice green one. I'll show you a gray one just for the purpose of, I'm probably going to dump a couple of these on the floor while I'm trying to pull them off the rack, just for the purpose of this video as well. But anyway, this is a gray one. And as you can see, I have gray products in behind me. So what I've started to do is to have like a complete line of mix and match products. So the gray rug will match a gray tea towel. All my tea towels are cotton. I source my towels just everywhere. Anytime I'm out shopping, I'm shopping for towels. I typically use a cotton lace trim, and I do some embroidery stitching on the towels as well. And in my next video today, I'm actually going to do a towel and show you guys how to make them, because I thought, why not? It'll be fun. So when I make the towels, of course, I make a whole bunch of different designs for them. And as you can see, this one has got frilled broadcloth trim, embroidery stitching as well. And again, it's a cotton towel, and the back looks like this. So when my customers come to my farmer's market booth, I have all my stands done by color, and the customers can just select whatever color they desire to go with their own decor. So then I added in dish drawing mats, and this one in particular has a rickrack trim and a double button on it. And these are actual dish mats that I have upholstered. I have a source to get a standardized size for my mats. So they're quite pretty as well. And when you pair them with, of course, your dish towel, everything is matchy-matchy. And then I thought, okay, well, what else could I add to this? collection of decor. And I started making soup bowl cozies. Now, the soup bowl cozies that I make with double layers of Pelon Wrap and Zap batting. And they feature cotton fabric, cotton batting, and cotton thread. So they can go in the microwave. And I always make as many of my products as possible reversible. So that customers have a choice of which fabric is the feature fabric. And of course, then it goes with this. Now, the next thing that I made is 2-ply dinner napkins. I'm not sure how many more of these I will make. Right now, I have them in gray. And I have embroidered the outside of them. I think that there's a better way to do this, so I may not be making too many more of those. And then the next product I have is my potato bag, which you can also heat up tortillas, tortilla chips, or pancakes in. It's made the same way as the soup bowl cozy in that it is 100% cotton. It has Pelon Wrap and Zap batting. It has cotton muslin inside and also sewn with cotton thread. So there's another product that mixes and matches there. And then the next thing that I did is I started making my signature envelope pillows. These are delightful. I swear to you, soft. The more you use it, the softer it gets. The more you wash it, the softer it gets. And it's also 100% cotton. And it does have a double flanged edge. I'm not sure if you can see it there, but they are all double flanged. And then at the back, I have a wide overlapping envelope opening for it. And that way I'm not fussing with zippers, but also my customers aren't complaining that their zippers are broke. It's just a big overlap in the back of that. So these can just set on your sofa and they get softer as the days go on. Now, the next product that I do here, and on each stand I do the same thing, where I'll have, all the mix and match products and then the cotton dishcloths. So in my holders here, I always have 2 coordinated dishcloths for each color that I have in the stand is what I should say. Okay, so there's gray and then there's gray and white. And I will just open one of them up here for you. It's got this nice little wrapper on it. It tells you who's made it. It's got my QR code. It's got washing instructions. And all of my products, of course, have SKUs and barcodes so that I can keep inventory quite easily on my Shopify store. And then as you can see here, it's got a nice detailed edging around it. And this helps the dishcloth keep its shape. Now, the next thing that I made, not sure if I can grab one. I'm going to grab one down, so hold on. Not sure if I can. Yes, I can. I own this place. I can do whatever I want. Hopefully I don't break anything. I have my layered mandalas, which I make with my Cricut machine. The designs are 5 to 7 layers each. They're made with paper, and I put them together with double-sided acid-free foam tape, and that's how I get the depth on them. So the designs are available for purchase on the Home Stitchery Decor store. You can make these to gift. You cannot sell the files. Don't do that because, lawyers. Okay, and then the next thing that I designed was my own line of complimentary cards. So I have these in different colors on each stand as well. And of course, because I own the design files, they are all my own designs. I can mix and match the colors quite easily. So I have congrats, I have with love, happy birthday, more with love, and then I have several designs for mom. And I have a couple more cards in the works right now for just regular 365 greeting cards. But I also have a line of my own Christmas card design files as well. And the files you can also find in my Etsy store, which is named completely different than Home Stitchery Decor. It's called the Mandela SVG Shop. And again, you can purchase the files to make your own, but you cannot resell the files. Okay, so I'm just going to move the camera here, and we're going to go down, and I'm just going to show you one more color. I'm not going to bore you to death because there are multiple colors here, but I'm going to take you over to the pink section because I think a couple people would like to see that. So hang on, let's go for a tour. All right, as you can see, here is another stand with coordinating products on it as well. And again, it's the two colors of the dishcloths. All of my cards done in pink as well, pink and silver and pink and black. And I thought there was one more color in here. Oh yeah, taupe and pink as well. And then the dish drying mats I have in coordinated colors that match tea towels here. Let me just see if I can find the tea towel that matches this. Yes. There we go, right there. So as you can see, all of my items are small batch. So what's happening with that is, of course, I try to make a lot of the same product, but I typically only buy one bolt of each color of fabric. And then when I'm at my markets, my customers absolutely love it because I have all of these stands with mix and match products. The stands, the shelves fold up and then fold in for easy transport. And each time I go to my large markets, I can rotate the colors that I'm bringing. So the customers keep coming back because they know that I keep having new colors with new patterns and new fabrics. And I find it so valuable because I'm creating such relationships with these people that they keep coming back and they keep bringing a friend and then they keep watching the website so that there's constantly something new. Now, am I going to make one of something? Absolutely not. Typically, even when I make like soup bowl cozies, you will see here that there is a large stack of each color. I do 20 to 50 of each color of the soup bowl cozies. But these pink soup bowl cozies will go for quite a while. And then I will add in another pink that will match. So if I have a fabric on the back that I still have more left of, that I haven't used as a feature fabric in somewhere else, of course, then I have more left on that bolt and I can purchase more. So, and then like I've said before here, all of the products are meant to mix and match. So here's a pink tea towel, pink dish drying mat, and then the pink dishcloth and the pink soup bowl cozy. And then we could add in a card. And quite frequently, my customers will purchase a whole entire set for gifts for people, which is why I added in the cards, because I've figured out that a lot of people do like to gift my items. Okay, so I think there's, how many more colors are there? There's Christmas colors, of course, but there's blue, there's teal, there's black, there's red, there's taupes, and the new color will be greens, like a nice pastel, sagey kind of green. All right, so those are the products, and that is what I do here, typically for work. And I know some of you new subscribers were dying to see what was behind the scenes here. So there you go. That is what I do for work. And stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to make a super cute chicken towel right now. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.